Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on your 05 to I think like 12 Mustang. So first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. We're going to go over here. Just reach your hand in. It's about right there. Perfect. Right here. You just move it this way. Let's get the hood prop. Pull this thing out. Right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this trim piece, this cover here, the cowl. Pretty easy. You just have two clips right here. They're Phillips head, but really, honestly, they can kind of come out if you just stick a flathead in there and start pushing them up. Then you can just twist them off by hand. And once you pull those out, then you're just going to kind of wiggle this out past the windshield wiper arm and the end of the hood right there, and it'll leave the air filter exposed. So after you get the trim off, you're gonna get this little holder out and it'll be time to get your new filter in. So we're just gonna get this bad boy here. And when you put this in, you want to make sure that your the filter is, all these fins are vertical. That way, if anything gets in there, it can come out, like water or things like that, because otherwise, if it's like this, it can hold it. So let's get this in here. Perfect. Fits nicely. And then we're going to look down here. You see the little tabs to hold it. These are going to go down into that, and then this will fit up into here, right there. So let's get this guy down in here. Might take a second to get it to go. Perfect. Oh, there you go. That was pretty easy. And so now we'll just take this trim piece here. We'll kind of finagle it around, get it back on there, but not a big deal. Probably go back in easier than it was to come out. See if we can get underneath the wiper blade there. There we go. Perfect. Let's get these little clips in there and we'll be good.